Today I polished the headlights on my 1999 986 Boxster, and it was super simple to do. I didn't get a kit this time around. What I did was go to my local hardware store where they sell loose pieces of sandpaper, and I got the wet or dry sandpaper starting at 400 and then worked my way to 6, 1000, 1500, 2000 and 2500. So I sanded it just like I would a piece of wood, and I kept it wet the entire time with a spray bottle. Once I sanded it, it still had a little bit of film on the plastic, so I hit it with a power drill, some Mother's plastic restoring polish, and this has a buffing wheel on there. So then after I buffed it, it looked pretty good, but I wanted to get a couple coats of turtle wax on there. This is what I had on hand. So I waxed it as you would a car. I let it sit, buffed it off once it was dry, and I repeated that 3 times just to make sure it had a very nice coat of wax on there. And this is how they came out. So the rest of the video will be showing the procedure. It'll show you how they started and how they ended up every step of the way.